Do you own a recent Kia and feel like it doesn't drive the same way it did when it was new? Have you noticed small behaviors that seem harmless at first, but slowly become more frequent over time? And have you ever wondered if some everyday habits might be quietly damaging your Kia without you realizing it? In this video, we're going to answer those questions because there is a silent problem affecting many Kia vehicles built between 2020 and 2026. It is not a dramatic failure. It does not cause an immediate breakdown, and that is exactly why most owners ignore it. But over time, it can affect the engine, the transmission, the electronics, fuel efficiency, and overall reliability. The good news is simple. This problem is preventable. And today, we are going to explain exactly how, step by step. Many people choose Kia because the brand has built a strong reputation for modern design, advanced technology, and excellent value for money. However, that same modern engineering has introduced a new vulnerability. These vehicles are extremely sensitive to how they are used. When usage habits do not match how the car was engineered, problems do not appear immediately. Instead, they accumulate quietly, often going unnoticed until they become expensive. One of the biggest mistakes Kia owners make is treating a modern Kia like an older vehicle. Quick cold starts followed by immediate acceleration, extremely short daily trips, constant stop-and-go traffic with no sustained driving, frequent shutdowns before systems can complete their operating cycles. These habits feel normal, especially for urban drivers, but modern cars are not designed for this type of use without consequences. Each habit on its own may seem harmless, but when combined and repeated day after day, they slowly undermine the vehicle's systems. Modern Kia engines, especially turbocharged gasoline engines and hybrid powertrains, are built with tight tolerances. Oil must circulate rapidly and evenly to lubricate turbochargers, timing systems, variable valve mechanisms, and internal actuators. When the engine is repeatedly shut down before reaching full operating temperature, oil never completes its proper thermal cycle. Over time, it degrades faster, thickens unevenly, and begins to leave deposits. At first, the symptoms are subtle: slightly rough cold starts, increased oil consumption, minor vibrations, occasional warning messages that appear briefly and disappear. These are not random glitches. They are early warning signs. The transmission is another critical area. Many Kia models from this period use dual-clutch transmissions or advanced torque converter automatics. These systems are engineered for efficiency and smoothness, but they are also sensitive to operating conditions. Aggressive driving while cold, constant creeping in traffic, repeated short maneuvers, and frequent gear changes without sufficient warm-up put unnecessary stress on internal components. Owners often report hesitation, jerky shifts, delayed engagement, or vibration at low speeds. In many cases, the transmission itself is not defective. It is simply never allowed to operate under optimal conditions. Then there is the electronic side of modern Kia vehicles. Today's cars rely on dozens of control modules and sensors working together. Engine management, safety systems, cameras, radar units, lane assist features, infotainment, battery management, and start-stop systems all depend on stable electrical voltage. This brings us to one of the most underestimated components in modern vehicles: the battery. Short trips, frequent engine starts, heavy use of electronics, and start-stop systems prevent the battery from fully recharging. Over time, voltage drops below optimal levels. When this happens, the car may display random warning lights, temporary error messages, or disable certain features without a clear explanation. Many owners assume these symptoms indicate serious electronic failures. In reality, they are often caused by a weak or undercharged battery, not a faulty control unit. Another frequently ignored factor is software updates. Kia regularly releases updates for engine control units, transmissions, infotainment systems, and driver assistance features. These updates are not cosmetic. They often fix known bugs, improve shift logic, refine fuel management, and stabilize communication between systems. Yet many owners delay or skip these updates entirely. Driving with outdated software can create issues that have already been solved by the manufacturer, leading to unnecessary frustration and misdiagnosis. Now let's talk about what you can do, concretely and step by step, to prevent this silent problem from damaging your Kia over time. First, manage cold starts correctly. After starting the engine, avoid hard acceleration. Drive gently for the first minute. This allows oil to circulate properly and critical components to stabilize before being placed under load. Second, regularly bring the engine to full operating temperature. Even if most of your driving is urban, take the car on a longer drive once or twice a week. Steady speeds allow the engine, transmission, and exhaust systems to operate as designed. Third, check engine oil manually, not only when a warning appears. Some modern Kia engines can consume oil without triggering immediate alerts. A simple manual check can prevent severe internal damage. Fourth, monitor battery health proactively. If your driving pattern includes many short trips, have the battery tested periodically. In many cases, replacing a weak battery early prevents dozens of misleading electronic issues. Fifth, keep software fully up to date. Ask your dealer about available updates. Check the infotainment system. Software is now a fundamental part of vehicle reliability, not an optional feature. Sixth, avoid aggressive driving when cold, especially with automatic transmissions. Smooth inputs during the first minutes of driving significantly extend the life of internal components. Finally, adjust your mindset. A modern Kia is not fragile, but it requires consistency and awareness. When driven and maintained as intended, it can be efficient, dependable, and long-lasting. When treated like an old-school vehicle, problems slowly begin to appear. That is the silent issue most owners overlook. It does not announce itself loudly. It does not cause immediate failure. It works quietly, over time, often being blamed on bad luck or poor reliability. But once you understand how it develops and how to manage it, you can avoid many of the problems that are often unfairly attributed to the brand. In the next video, we will go even deeper, analyzing specific Kia engines, common warning signs you should never ignore, and practical checks you can perform yourself. Because today, understanding how your car really works is the most effective form of preventive maintenance.